Keith, SL Controls. Keith, tell us, what is SL Controls?
Yeah, so SL Controls is a systems equipment integration company. It was founded approximately in 2002. There's two aspects to the company. The service, we provide services to customers in the pharmaceutical, medical device and manufacturing, and we also have our software product range for those companies. So just go into the service aspects of the company. So generally what happens is the customer would come to SL with a set of requirements. SL would form an engineering team together. The engineering team could comprise of an IT engineer, a software engineer, a control systems engineer, a validation engineer, and a project manager. So you have a sophisticated, high-level expertise engineering team that can provide an on-site or off-site service to meet the customer's requirements. So what would be the customer's requirements generally? So say, for instance, a customer is designing a new production line and they want to have various technologies and they don't have the relevant skill set within their own team. They'd come to SL Controls and say, well, we need to design the system based on these user requirements. And SL would put this engineering team together, they would design it, they would implement it, they'd maintain it and validate it. So you're talking about industrial automated production lines, highly sophisticated from the production line right up to the IT level. So it's really, really good area to be in terms of technologies and experience.
And you're after mentioning a lot of job roles there. There are so many different types of engineers that I hadn't even heard of. But what exactly are you looking for here today then? Which roles are you recruiting for?
Yeah, it's quite varied. If we start at the very base level, we're looking for graduate engineers from IT, software, validation, controls, electrical. So it's quite varied because of the different technologies that we're working and the different customers that we deal with. Then you have senior positions, intermediate and senior positions, which requires, say, maybe 2 to 3 years experience right up to 15, 20 years experience. And the great thing about working with SL is the multicultural environment. So we have engineers from Germany, we have engineers from Poland, we have engineers from the UK. So it's really an international company, even though that it's an Irish company.
It's an Irish company. And where are you based?
Well, we have a number of offices. We have an office, our HQ is in Sligo. We have an office here in Galway. We have an office in Limerick, an office in Dublin, and an office in Birmingham.
So if people didn't get to speak with you today, Keith, would you have a website maybe they can get more information?
Yeah, so if you just type in SL Controls into Google, it'll be the first website that will come up on your search engine.
And how about the people who you did speak with today? Did you meet anyone you might be hiring?
Yeah, I have to say I was very impressed with the turnout today and the skill set that people were bringing in terms of their background, their education. It's probably been the best event that I've attended personally. And we've got, I'd say, at least 50 to 60 CVs, and I'd say there's at least 30 strong candidates, which is brilliant.
It is fantastic. Now, we have another hour to go, so who knows, you might have another 50, 60 CVs handed over.
Hopefully.